Hello, today, first, I'm Sydney McMillan, and I would like to talk about what I call breaking the rope. This title will make more sense after you watch the video that I'll put in it's called the cards. Put it up there. Anyways, again. So, why did it take so many years to break the 4-minute mile? Did the light bulb really need to wait so long before it came out and shone forth? Shone forth. What stops us from progressing more quickly than we do? I believe the answer is found inside of each of us. Every soul and every being has this capacity for it. It starts in the mind. That is what I very firmly believe in. The mind is the secret key that holds us back. It's our most powerful weapon and most formidable foe. It either keeps us going or holds us back, and we are the ones who decide. That's a lot of responsibility. That's my personal opinion, that we have a lot of responsibility with that, but I really think that is trusting humans with a lot. So, some key parts of this are asking questions. My sister asks a lot of questions. Yes, Caroline, I'm looking at you. Questions for days. And it's sometimes really annoying, but something I've learned is that those who ask are those who learn. Those who seek, find. When we just accept new information, then we just say, okay, I'm going to trust you implicitly with my mind, which is the most powerful thing that I've been given. And I'm just going to give it to you, and I'm not even going to ask what you're going to do with it. And you gotta know your enemy, also your friend, I suppose, but if you know what you're fighting against, you can fight against it better, so ask questions, even if you don't agree with it. So there's this thing called paradigms. Paradigms are kind of like the belief window, and through this window you view the entire world. What you see is what you believe, and it doesn't matter if it's true or not, you're gonna believe it. So, for a personal story, so here's the answer. The reason it took so long to break the 4-minute mile, the reason why the light bulb remained dark until about 150 years ago, which is not very long, the reason that you are not able to achieve everything you want to. Okay guys, you ready for it? Because of these paradigms. The way that you view the world and the way that you view yourself. You view yourself through your own window. So a paradigm that I have had since I was in probably first grade is that I am terrible at math. I told myself that over and over again, and I believed it. Really believed it. And I am trying to break that paradigm now, and I'm trying to change it. And it's really hard to push against something. I'm 17 now, and so that's 10 years, I think. 11. That's a lot of years of building this paradigm and just adding it on top and on top and on top. And I always viewed the world, there's the smart people who can do math, and then there's people who are also kind of smart, but they can't do math. And I'm one of those people. I'm not smart, I can't do math. And that's really sad to me because I can do math and I am smart. And so there's a lot of paradigms, good and bad. And it's important to recognize them and then recognize how they're changing your perspective. That's something else. Keep in mind with it is your perspective. But then something beautiful, the shift. Oh, sorry, hold on. You didn't see that. The paradigm shift. So what if you could change what you see? What if you could see, think, and believe exactly what you want to? What would be different in your life? So, I don't know exactly who all I'm sharing this with, but I don't know what you believe about yourself or about the world, but if you could change something that you see, what's something that you think in your mind when you look at the world and you think, oh, that couldn't be me, or no, that's nothing that I could ever do? What's something that you could change with that? Like with my math, when I was doing this lesson with my class, I was looking at it and I was thinking, this sounds a lot like this paradigm that I've built up for myself that I am terrible at math. So I've been changing that, and it's kind of really hard sometimes because I want to give up and I don't want to change it because it's not very easy to change. But what I'm wanting to be different is I'm going to have the confidence to be able to do math, and if I can do math, that's the thing that's held me back from graduating from high school for over a year and a half now. Could have graduated a long time ago, but I haven't because I was scared. I was really scared of this paradigm. It's just my mind. It's just your mind. That's all that you have to change, and then you change everything. I found this quote that I really liked. Your life is a reflection of your thoughts. If you change your thinking, you change your life. So, I don't know what butterflies think, but if that butterfly right on the screen, if it thought, oh, I'm never gonna be anything. I'm just mortally existing momentarily. I'm gonna fly around all the time as this moth. I'm not very beautiful. I mean, I think moths are kind of pretty, but regardless, just, I'm an ugly creature if it thought to itself. Think about the people, maybe you, I don't know. They're just, I am not a lovely person, or I am not good at this, or someone else is better at this than I am. Well, if the butterfly always thought like that, would we have butterflies? If they didn't think it was worth trying to change, would they change? I don't think so. I don't think butterflies really, I don't know if butterflies have conscious thought like that, but if they did, food for thought, just think about the possibilities. So thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you were able to learn something. I definitely learned a lot from making it. And I hope you have the most beautiful, best day of your life so far. Thank you.